In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chatter groups in Salesforce. This process not only enhances collaboration among teams, but also organizes discussions and sharing in Salesforce. Let's begin by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. From here, we'll delve into the steps, ensuring that even if you are new to Salesforce, you will find the process intuitive and straightforward. As we start, the first step is to click on the Quick Settings icon. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of your Salesforce homepage. This icon serves as your gateway to a multitude of features and settings, streamlining the process of customization and management of your Salesforce environment. Next, it's time to click on Open Advanced Setup. This option allows you to dive deeper into the Salesforce setup, enabling more granular control over your system settings. Now, locate the search bar within the Setup page and type in Public Groups. This search will help you filter the settings and hone in on the specific area we need to access for creating chatter groups. Once you see the Public Groups option in the results, go ahead and click on it. This action takes you to the section where you manage existing groups and begin the process of creating new ones. Now, let's go ahead and click on the New button. This is where the magic begins. All the customization happens in this part. You'll be prompted to fill in a field titled Label. Think of this as your group's identity. Make sure it's descriptive enough for members to understand its purpose at a glance. Directly below, you'll find a space to input the group name. Choose a name that complements your label while adhering to any naming conventions your organization might have in place. The next step is to input your description. This is an invaluable tool for new or potential members as it paints a clearer picture of the group's objectives and activities. Be concise yet informative in what you include here. After filling out these details, shift your focus to the Available Members section. This area displays a list of users that you can add to your group. It's a straightforward drag-and-drop method, or you might use a selection system, depending on your interface. Select the members you want to include and click Add. This action populates your group with the relevant members who will now be able to participate in discussions and share content. Finally, the crucial part is saving your work. Click on the Save button to ensure all your inputs are stored. It's the final confirmation that your chatter group is now live and ready for action within Salesforce. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a chatter group in Salesforce, fostering collaboration and synergy within your teams. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Salesforce tips and tutorials.